Today we're doing the mystery Oreo because Oreo didn't want to pay for packaging. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Greg. He's cute. Together with Mr. Happy 0121, and today we're reviewing the mystery Oreo. You know what would be great is if the mystery Oreo flavor was Oreo.
Yeah, it would be great.
So you eat the Oreo, you text something, and then tell them what flavor it is, and you could win $50,000.
Oh wow.
Unless you're just a real pain in the ass, no good piece of crap, then to enter without making a purchase or guessing the correct flavor, you can see the rules. I think if you didn't purchase the package and you didn't guess the flavor, you should only be able to get punched in the nuts.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, I wonder what this is.
I've already got it narrowed down to 2.
Oh, we know what it is.
Look at how fat that is. Okay, we're going to do it differently today.
Alright.
We're going to try the Oreo, and then we're going to try 2 creams.
2.
Because, you know, I don't know that you'll be able to figure this out. Unless you have a guess before then. If you want to tap out and guess early, go ahead.
Oh, it's Fruity Pebbles.
He thinks. Bite 1. 2. This cream's a little different. I would say we pretty much had this guessed before we ever took a bite, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
It almost knocks you over when you open the package. What is your official guess for the mystery flavor?
Fruity Pebbles.
Which, it's, you know, fruity cereal. We did the review if you go look through our Oreo reviews, but it doesn't have the actual chunks of cereal in it. What grade do you give this Oreo?
Like an 87. It's pretty darn good. I like it.
I'm going to go with a 78. You're free to use our guess as your mystery guess to win the $50,000. Knock yourselves out. Personally, if you got other things you need to do with your $3.50 this week, the mystery Oreo, you can skip it. And for those of you wondering, because we were supposed to be doing the new Wendy's Chicken Select, whatever, the chicken strips from Wendy's with the awesome sauce. We'll get there this week. We'll have that review up by Saturday. In the meantime, he's got some knitting to do, and I have to go try on sweaters. Anything you want to add?
Not at all.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can find us on all social media. Mr. Happy 0121.
Stay vigilant.